In this video, we will continue with our two parts of the wound healing process, that is proliferation and remodeling. In proliferation is somewhat overlap of inflammation step. What differs in proliferation is that there is a there is a migration, then there is a repair and migration of epithelial cell. We can say migration of epithelial cells over migration of epithelial cell over temporary wound repairs, over temporary layer that is formed in the first two steps. So how this is, what happens during this step, what else happens in proliferation or within this step is that there is a capillary formation. Capillary formation. And there other things that happens in proliferation is that epithelial and this fibroblast that is fibroblast growth factor, that fibroblast growth factor that triggers or that initiate in hemostasis will continue in the proliferation step. With that, the fibroblast also helps in formation of a layer over the wound. Fibroblast also helps in proliferation. And after that, when it moves to remodeling, the main function that happens in remodeling is that the density of the wound should becomes normal to the should become normal before there was any wound. So vesicular density. Vesicular density to be re-established to before wound condition. And and for this this capillary formation that occurs in proliferation state is with multiple capillary formation need to be occurs in a way that regression of this regression of capillary formation in such a way that the final architecture looks similar to the before wound state. And apart these are the two remaining steps of the wound healing. Apart from this, there is another kind of thing that is famous in researchers is the cutaneous wound healing. Cutaneous wound healing. So what this means that skin repair itself when it is damaged. After damage. However, this is not yet been established completely. What the researchers have think that the stem cells, there are various stem cells that are present nearby skin or nearby skin, such as bone marrow cells, bone marrow derived cells, such as bone marrow derived cells or mesenchymal cells. Mesenchymal cell, mesenchymal cell, spelling might be wrong. Mesenchymal cells, stem cells. So these are the adult stem cells that can be converted into various cells with the help of proper growth factors. And this the pathway by which blood circulate into the skin also comes from bone marrow. So there is a possibility, if bone marrow stem cells get specific growth factor, they can be converted into the skin tissues. However, because of the complexity of the process of the wound healing and the simultaneous steps need to be occurred, the proper coordination and synchronize need to be happened in order to make this cutaneous wound healing possible artificially. So that's why this is still in its research state and not yet been completely established. Sorry about it. However, if someone wants to look their, someone is looking their career in the wound healing, then they can see. And this can be a good option for them. So that's all for this video. Thank you.